Debbie hit the dusty trail. Through forests and hills they prevail. In Queenstown's heart the secrets swell, where time and tales freely tell. A sand-based oval whispers old games, footprints deep, a field of fame.
Well, this has got to be a first. I've never seen a footy ground that is gravel. Have a look at this. It's gravel. I tell you what, you would not want to fall over on that. Goalposts behind me, and now the goalpost up the other end. Don't even know where the centre square is. Where are the white lines to mark the 50 yard mark or the 50 metre mark? This is good.
A sand-based oval whispers old games, footprints deep, a field of fame, kicking dreams in a golden haze. Queenstown shines in Tasmania's maze. Andrew and Debbie look up at the stars, a quiet moment away from the cars. Their laughter blends with the soft winds call. Queenstown's magic, embracing it all.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, another van.
Oh, the wilderness.
Railways. Oh, there's the wilderness railway.
Take the next left onto Driffield Street.
Keep going.
Continue on Driffield Street for 800 metres.
Paragon Theatre. Oh, the station. Look at the station. Is that where you get the
Queenstown station? Oh yeah.
Where you get the?
Must be where you get the train. So what's up there?
Grey White.
Hospital, police. Oh, there's your township there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I've still got an hour and a half. Not an hour. 1.5 k's. Oh, that's alright. So we're about a kilometre out of town.
That's not too
Gaming, casino.
Oh,
Thing. Other sort of thing.
In 300 metres,
Oh.
turn right onto Hogarth Street.
what's that? Workshops. Turn what? Right onto.
Okay.
The houses are really old and
Yeah.
sort
Real
of run
mining.
down.
Your destination is on the left.
Entrance.
Gravel pitch to me.
Yeah. Summer grass.
Alright, well this is the Queenstown caravan park. Alright, that was our van. And here we are at the camp kitchen. Let's go in and have a look here, see what we got. Oh yeah, this looks alright. A few tables, nice recliner chairs, fridge. What's that look like? What do we got there? Vending machine, some cupboards, fridge, plenty of cooking utensils, microwaves, stoves, toaster, a clock that doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Outdoor barbecue. Oh, this looks all right. Oh, we've got a fire as well. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, what else we got? That's it. All right, and there's our van. So we're at Strahan today, and we're going to check out the wharf, visitor centre, and pop into town and see what's happening. So this is where the cruisers all leave from. So let's go over and have a look.
Rolling down the highway, just Debbie and me, with the caravan swaying in the wind off the sea, through rainforest roads and wild winding turns, for the west coast of Tassie where the wilderness burns. We're rolling down to Strahan where the Gordon River flows, through stories of convicts and the cold wind that blows, with the campfire glowing and the stars up above. We're chasing adventure and wrapped up in love. We parked by Macquarie with the harbour in view, took a stroll by the docks as the sea mist blew. Debbie cooked dinner while the seagulls cried, and I strummed on my guitar with her by my side. We rode the old railway through the rainforest deep, heard the tales of old miners and the secrets they keep. Every step, every turn just added to our song, in Strahan together where our hearts belong. We're rolling down to Strahan where the stories run deep, where the timber boats whisper and the human pines sleep, with the campfire glowing and the stars up above. We're chasing adventure and wrapped up in love. So here's to the journey and the places we roam. With G'day Australia, we always feel home. From White Street beginnings to Tasmania shore, with Debbie beside